Sorry. Thank you. Thank you sa lahat ng Filipinos na nagsusupport. Hi guys, I'm Camila Sumali and I'm the Deputy Secretary General of PhilCycling. PhilCycling po, national governing body for cycling as a sport. Kami po ang affiliated member of the UCI. So kami ang extension ng UCI sa country ng Philippines and affiliated din po siya with the Philippine Olympic Committee and the Philippine Sports Commission. Asian Mountain Bike Championships here in China. Ito yung pinakamalayong Asian Championships na narating ko since hindi pa ako nakasama sa India. But I would say it's very much worth it because sobrang laki ng improvement ng team, especially when it comes to performance. Because in the previous years, we come to the Asian Championships with just the target of making it past the Southeast Asian countries. So for now, nakakagulat and of course nakaka-proud din kasi we're taking home a medal, especially with Steve, and mas mataas yung mga achievements na nakuha po ng mga XC riders din also, apart from the greater results din na pinakita din ng downhill team. Napakalayo ng China, I would say, but I think for everything na in-effort namin para makarating dito, I would say we have to really be proud of ourselves. This coming May, we do have another competition coming up for the national XC team. Yung Asian Mountain Bike Series is a 5-part series and the third part of the series is gonna be in Yawatahama, Japan. So the XC team is preparing for that. And another is a competition in Indonesia. I have to yet to check to what the title of the event is, but we are hoping to send the downhill team there para lalo pang madagdagan yung tune-up races nila. Isa pang pinagpahandan po ng team would be of course the Southeast Asian Games. For all we know, event that is happening only twice every 2 years po. So yung last po namin pinuntahan is Cambodia, whereas wala pong downhill event po ang ating downhill team. Ang last nating event was Vietnam. Fortunately naman, nakapag-medal po si Nami and si Jeric doon. But now, we are coming up to participate in the Thailand Southeast Asian Games this December. And of course, meron downhill yun. For XC naman, for the Southeast Asian Games, unfortunately, walang XCO. But there will be an XCE event for men and BMX racing. So, we're looking forward to that. Kaya, puspusan po yung paghahanap din ng competitions na pupuntahan ng team para lalo pa silang mapaghanda and masanay po dun sa skill level na kailangan nilang makalaban. Just some fast facts also for the PhilCycling. So kami rin po nag-issue ng UCI licenses in behalf of the UCI. So I would like to encourage all of the riders and officials and marshals, lahat po ng individuals that are involved in the sport of cycling to come and acquire a UCI license. It is valid for the whole year from January 1 to December 31st and it allows you to be identified and represented when it comes to being present in national federations events and sanctioned races of the UCI. Whenever you join UCI races, hindi lang po national team ang pwedeng magsumali sa AMS events na pupuntahan namin. Pwede rin po kayo pumunta doon. Of course, gusto nyo po sumali sa Indonesia, Beijing, and such as that, UCI din ang kailangan nyo. But it's not limited to the national team. But of course, within difference of that, ang SEA Games, Asian Championships, yan po, national team na po nakasali dun. But when it comes to UCI class races, which is yung mga C1, C2, C3, horse class, and so on, yan, kailangan ng UCI ID lang.
You mentioned mga C1, C2, C3 event races. What does it mean, ma'am?
Yung mga class races po, ang differentiation niya is yung points class and yung prize scale. So, whenever you're joining C3 events, ito yung pinaka, kumbaga, lowest tier sa lahat. You're earning somewhat 10 points sa gold and pababa. Tapos, meron siyang appropriate na prize money. So, when you're joining higher naman, which is C2 and then C1, tumataas po yung point scale na ma-earn na riders na nagpo-podium or nagta-top 5 or 10 kung ano po yung nakalagay dun sa points table, nakaayon po siya dun sa class ng races sa salihan. So, whenever we go out of the country, as much as possible, we encourage na ang salihan namin is C1 para mas lalo pa pong maraming mag-gain na points, especially pag nag-podium yung team natin or any member of Team Philippines. Of course, I would like to thank God for giving us this opportunity to make it here. Even mentioning that really makes me emotional because it's such a tough journey coming here, and now we have to take on another journey going home with safe guidance from him. And I also like to thank, of course, the organization, Phil Cycling, kasi without them, we wouldn't really be able to have all the tools na kailangan para makarating dito. And of course, the Philippine Sports Commission, our unending support from the Philippine Sports Commission, which is the body of sports first sa atin. Thank you so much for supporting our national team, our Team Philippines, and lahat ng mga members ng nagre-represent ng sports sa mga competition. And of course, Commissioner Walter Torres, thank you so much for fully supporting us, kasi kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi po din ma-approve yung budget or even makakarating kami dito. And of course, our travel agency, Best Wing Travel, thank you so much po. And China Southern Airlines, si Sir Allen, si Pagsisihan, thank you so much sa pagtulong sa amin na makarating yung mga baggage namin. Sina Sir Welmer, Sir Boying, thank you so much sa pag-support nyo sa team. Kung hindi dahil sa 100% yung ang pagpaniwala dun sa Team Philippines, I don't think mabubuo namin even yung team and yung talagang confidence nila na mag-compete and ibigay yung lahat ng mga kaya nila for Philippines. Sama ko na rin, of course, yung family ko and our Secretary General Attorney Billy Sumagi, kasi kung di rin dahil sa kanya, kung hindi siya naniniwala din sa mga proposals ko and ideas and lahat ng mga pinaghihirapan namin ni Joshua, I don't think makakarating kami anywhere. Not even just this competition. So, I just wanna make sure na mabanggit lahat yon, kasi kung hindi dahil sa kanila, hindi talaga mabubuo yung team. Of course, I wanna thank you, Deb B. Sanchez, kasi this is the first time na I'm not the one documenting everything. So, sobrang laking bagay siya because for the longest time, I believe I've started just live streaming from the SEA Games Vietnam. Naisip ko, walang nakakita ng nangyayari sa national team. So why not i-document natin na nangyayari sa kanila para makita nila na pinaghihirapan nila yung mga competition na pinupuntan. Hindi lang yung paglabas lang sa news, may medal na lang, or kung walang medal, nakikita nila na ito yung nangyayari sa actual competition. So ang laking bagay na meron tayong media partner na nandito. So I would like to thank everyone na naging part ng journey namin dito. So sana magtuloy-tuloy pa po yung progress natin, and still have very high hopes na the earlier na we prepare for the LA 2028 Olympics, mas alala pa tayong lalapit sa pag-qualify sa Olympics. I would like to first and foremost also thank yung ating kasambayan ng Pilipino, kasi kung hindi kayo naniniwala sa mga kapwa niyo Pilipino, ano pa ba yung saysay na nandito kami. Kaya napakalaking pasalamat namin. Sobrang grateful kami na yung mga puso nyo, you're really pouring it out para pakita nyo yung support nyo para dito sa amin. Marinig lang yung Pilipinas pag nag-cheer sa mga competitions. Sobrang kabog na ng dibdib sa mga riders. So, sorry. Ang laki kasi ng transition from just being the only person yelling Pilipinas sa SEA Games. So, thank you. Thank you sa lahat ng Filipinos na nagsusupport. Tuloy nyo lang, pakita nyo lang, mag-ingay kayo. Sigaw nyo yung bansa natin. Parinig nyo sa representatives natin sa Philippines na nandyan kayo, and tuloy-tuloy yung supporta nyo. So, thank you so much sa lahat nyo. At tuloy-tuloy po, follow nyo lang po lahat ng mga updates namin, and wag po kayong magsasawa na mag-shower ng positive words, kasi yan po ang kailangan ng mga athletes, especially whenever they don't commit a medal, they don't achieve a medal. Sometimes na low moral sila. So, ang laking bagay po na still positive affirmation pa rin yung ibibigay natin sa kanila, and congratulations pa rin sa, of course, making it safely na walang major injuries. So, pagdasal niyo po kami sa mga tuloy-tuloy pang competition, and sana hindi po kayo magsawa na makita kami sa mga pag-represent sa ibang mga competitions. So again, this is Camila Sumagi, Deputy Secretary General of Phil Cycling, proudly representing Team Philippines here at the ACC.